You can also use the catalog to browse titles beyond Copley Library's collections. These titles can then be borrowed with an interlibrary loan, in which a resource is borrowed from another institution's library. Before we do this, make sure to sign in to your USD1 account so that you can track the status of your request. After you sign in, click on Expand Your Search. When you find a title that you would like to access, click Get It For Me from Other Libraries. Scroll down to Get It from Other Locations, select the format you would like, fill out the form, and click Send. You will be notified when the title is ready to be picked up at Copley Library or sent to your inbox if you requested a digital format. If a title you are looking for does not appear even after you expand your search, you can scroll back to the top and click Still Didn't Find What You Need? Click here to send a request. You can fill out a resource sharing request form and have the resource sent to Copley Library. So if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always expand your search, submit an interlibrary loan, or fill out the resource sharing request form to obtain access to what you need.